Hi, this is Mike from Princeton Satellite Systems, and I'm going to show you how to plot the ISS orbit, the International Space Station orbit, using the Spacecraft Design Toolbox for MATLAB. The first thing I'm going to do is get the orbit. These are the orbital elements, and you can see them there, and that's the Julian date. You can't see the whole Julian date because it requires much more precision, but that's the time at the beginning of the orbital elements. The orbital elements are semi-major axis, inclination, longitude of the ascending node, argument of perigee, eccentricity, and the mean anomaly. The next step is just to get the orbital period, which we can get from the semi-major axis, which was the first element. And there it is. It's about 5,500 seconds. After that, we want a time vector. That's what we're going to need, the time vector, because we want to know how long we want to plot it for. So we're doing it for 6 orbital periods. The next step is to get the r and v vectors. That's the position and velocity vector for the spacecraft. So this is using RV-orb-gen. It does a Keplerian propagation. So it's propagating those elements for the time vector t. So r is a 3 by 1,000 vector. And the last step is simply to call plot orbit. And this will generate the orbit, and there you see it. And you look out, we can rotate this, and we can see the orbit. It's in the Earth fixed frame. That's why the orbit does not repeat the track. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop a comment below, and please subscribe to our channel.